Hello everybody. Today we are going to the bird city, but not helping any baby birds or adult birds. Today we are going to say hello to the birds and say good morning to them. It is going to be fun. Let's have a tour to the bird city. There's the entrance, I see. And we entered. There's the trash can of the birds. That means we are very close to the bird area and we are here. Look, this area has full of birds. Look. Oh, his name is written on his house. Let me read. His name is Chicky. Hello, Chicky. And good morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning, penguin family. Good morning, bears. Good morning, breeding pairs of parrots. Good morning. Oh, good morning, rooster, ducky, peacock, yellow parrot, and red parrot. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, guys. My friends. Okay, let's continue. Oh, here is the duck. You're such a good boy. And good morning. Good morning, Darsh. Alright, let's go into this area. You know which kind of bird live here? Yeah. In the previous video, we saw that ostrich lives here. Hello, ostrich. Hello. And good morning. Good morning. Alright. It's a very, what do we call it? A very small exit. But we can still enter from here. It's the main gate. It is open because it's the daytime. And they even let the birds outside. But that's the security bird who does that. Let the birds outside. Alright. Alright. Let's park the car and ask if they can let the birds roam free outside. Alright. They must be very tired and very, very, very bored in their houses. So let's do it. Oh, I think that's the bird's motorcycle. Let's see from close by. Beep beep. I locked it. Look at that. Wow. Let's keep it there so that the birds can ride it again. Wait. This car is so heavy, I have to pull it this way. There we go. It attached to the wall. Now let's ask the owner if they can let the birds go outside and let them free roam around here. Alright. The owner is a bird too. Let me just ask. Wait guys, I'm just pausing the video. Yes, we got permission to let the birds outside and let them free roam around. Come on birds, you can go out. Yay! Yay! They are feeling fresh. Come on, breeding pair and the penguin family. Let's go. Wee! 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 This will be so fun. Look at the birds' happiness. Wow! Wow! Wee! 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 And this is so fun. Yeah. Darsh is here. He is our friend, a good friend. What? Sorry. The gate has opened! Yay! Now we can roam around free for 5 minutes. Wee! Woohoo! Wow! Wee! Come on. Every bird can come and play with their friends. Whoa! Whoa! Ouch! Oh! Wee! partner. Alright. Other birds, come on. Wee-hoo! Wee-hoo! Whoa, whoa! I'm so excited, I'm dancing! Whoa, whoa! Yay! Alright, peacock, ducky and yellow parrot, let's go! Whoa! Wee! Whoa! 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 Yeah, this is going to be so much fun! Whoa! Hello, my friends, hello! And let's go to the ducky. You want to come? Yes, sure! It will be so much fun for 5 minutes. Let's go! Oh, wait a second, there's dirt on me. Can I wash that? Sure, Dash. Alright. Now I am ready to go outside. Woohoo! This is going to be so much fun with my friends. Yay! Whoa, whoa, whoa! What did he say? Burgers woo? Ah, that's so funny. Burgers woo. Wee, wee, wee! Whoa! This is going to be so much fun! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I am blasting like a rocket of fun! Let's go! Whoa, 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 whoa! Let's go! Wow, that looks so much fun with my friends. All the friends are here. Woohoo! Let's see if everyone is here. Okay, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is there one missing? Yes, the owl. Huh? Owl, come outside. You have to play. Look, all the friends are outside. Woo! I'm so happy because the birds are so happy. If birds are happy, I am happy. Because I like birds. Alright, let's see them by our car. Can you see rooster's head? Way over there. Right. And here we go. Oh, you see that parrot? Now you see everybody. Look at them. Wee, wee, wee! Oh, they're playing in the sand. Wee, wee, wee! Let's see our budgies. If they're playing like the other birds, right there. Where are they? Oh, they must be outside. Because birds love to be outside. Alright, let's go. Oh! Hey, wait a second. Is it rained? Anyways, let's go. Oh! They've just taken a bath. Yes, guys, they just had a bath. Oh! Did one of the drops fall on me? No. Let's see Ninku inside. Oh, guys, can you see her? She's way inside. Okay, let's see what the other birds are doing. Here is a little bumpy road because my budgies can be hurt by the car. Alright, let's go. There. Now let's go to the other birds in the bird city. Oh, that was a big speed breaker. Alright. Let's go from that way. Drive the steering wheel. Oh. We have to turn back and forward. Back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. That's easy. Alright. Close the door. Alright. Look at them. Look at all 13 of them. Okay guys, the bird city cleaners are here. Come on birds. Time to go inside. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, the bird city cleaners can put a mess on you. What? So you have to go up. Okay. Okay, let's put all the birds inside. It's a little noisy with extra people inside. Come on, green parrot. And come on, pink parrot. That's good. Here's pink parrot. There you go. And here you go. There. And what about green parrot? There. Now what about the others? Yeah. 10 of them are left because we have 33 over there. Alright. 1, 2. We got 2 birds. Alright, we got 2 birds of the 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8 more. Alright, here are the 8 birds. 3rd bird, 4th bird, and 5th bird. We got 5 birds. Let's put red parrot here. What about yellow parrot? With Chicky, he is also yellow. Let's put Ducky here. Okay, not Ducky. He is Ducky. The duck there. Alright, peacock. Ducky, this is the real Ducky. And little baby penguin. And of course, we can't forget about his mother. Alright. Oh, such a tight squeeze. Look at me squished with the birds. Right. Now let's put 1. Oh, Ducky, you're going to sleep. I was going to tell. There, baby penguin. And let's see after we do this if all of them are here. Okay, there's a lot of mistakes and extra people are here. I'm getting very disturbed by making this video. Okay, one more, the rooster. Oh, I slipped. There. Okay, now all of them are here. And let's park the car. Come on, owl. There. Let's see if all of them are here. Let's start from red parrot over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 birds. All of them are here. Let's go. Let's go there. Back ways and there. Beep beep. Alright. Now all the birds are here. Time for us to leave. We will come in the next morning tomorrow. Alright. Beep beep. Or maybe we could come in the afternoon after cleaning. Or maybe tomorrow morning. Let's decide. Beep beep. Okay guys, I'm talking to them. Okay birds, time to leave. Beep beep. Bye birds. Bye Darsh. See you later. Bye. Okay, so we are still in the bird forest area. Bird forest, I mean bird city area where they let the birds outside here. It's not a forest because everyone has their own house. Oh, alright. It's a bumpy trip. Alright. We exited. We are out of the bird city. And we entered our house. Alright guys, time to end the video after parking. Alright, now let's park the car in this spot. It is great. Alright, now let's end the video. Beep beep. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you want to see more fun videos like this, please do what I said. Alright guys, bye. Today are no mistakes but little.